Welcome to this comprehensive lecture where we will explore in depth the Book of Enoch, an ancient and enigmatic text that has captivated scholars and spiritual seekers for centuries. Our journey begins by addressing the question of authorship. Traditionally, the book has been attributed to Enoch himself, the great-grandfather of Noah, who famously walked with God as described in the book of Genesis. However, modern scholarship presents a more intricate narrative. It suggests that this text was not the work of a single author, but rather the product of multiple anonymous writers spanning several centuries. This intriguing origin story sets the stage for our exploration. With this foundation laid, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the Book of the Watchers. In the days of Jared, 200 Watchers, a class of angels, descended on the summit of Mount Hermon. They called it Mount Hermon because they had sworn and bound themselves by mutual imprecations upon it. Here the story unfolds, revealing a tale of angels and humans, forbidden knowledge, and divine judgment. The stage is set in a celestial realm where a group of angels entrusted with the responsibility of watching over humanity, led by the enigmatic figure Azazel, becomes ensnared by their own desires. These celestial beings, referred to as the Watchers, are lured by earthly pleasures and descend from their heavenly abode to the realm of humanity. Their descent marks a pivotal moment, for they bring with them a treacherous gift, forbidden knowledge. It is a knowledge that encompasses secrets beyond human comprehension, including the mysteries of magic, astrology, and metallurgy. These secrets, now in human hands, disrupt the natural order and introduce chaos to the world. As the Watchers share their wisdom with humans, a dark cloud of moral decay begins to descend. With newfound knowledge comes power, and with power comes corruption. The once harmonious world spirals into turmoil, marked by violence, immorality, and social upheaval. The forbidden knowledge bestowed upon humanity serves as both a blessing and a curse, shaping the destiny of civilizations. Yet in the midst of this turmoil, hope emerges in the form of Enoch, a righteous figure chosen by God. Enoch's heart remains steadfast and pure amidst the chaos that engulfs the world. He is divinely appointed as a messenger, tasked with delivering a message of judgment to the fallen Watchers. His journey as a divine mediator takes him on a path of revelation and redemption. He encounters divine beings, converses with the Almighty, and receives visions that offer insights into the nature of the cosmos and the divine plan. These encounters with the heavenly realm shape Enoch's understanding of his mission and the purpose he serves in the grand tapestry of creation. At its core, the Book of the Watchers serves as a cautionary tale, a moral parable that explores the consequences of disobedience, the corrupting influence of power, and the importance of maintaining a righteous path in the face of temptation. It lays the foundation for the central themes that run like a thread throughout the book. Themes of sin, divine judgment, and the revelations of a righteous messenger. Moving along, we come to the Book of Parables, a section that takes us even deeper into the mystical and visionary realm. And in that place I saw the fountain of righteousness, which was inexhaustible, and around it were many fountains of wisdom. All the thirsty drank of them and were filled with wisdom, and their dwellings were with the righteous, the holy, and the elect. One of the central themes of this section is the intricate and complex hierarchy of the heavenly realms. Enoch encounters celestial beings known as the eons, which represent distinct aspects of the ultimate, unknowable God. These eons embody divine attributes and emanate from the source of all existence, forming a celestial hierarchy that governs the cosmos. Within these visionary experiences, Enoch witnesses the intricate workings of the divine plan. He sees the unfolding of history, the fate of the righteous and the wicked, and the impending final judgment. The Book of Parables provides vivid and allegorical descriptions of these cosmic events, offering a glimpse into the beliefs and anxieties of the time. One of the most striking aspects of this section is the portrayal of a messianic figure, often referred to as the Son of Man. This figure embodies the hope and redemption of humanity. Enoch's visions depict the Son of Man as a righteous and powerful figure who will ultimately bring justice and salvation to the world. The concept of the Son of Man in the Book of Enoch is a precursor to similar messianic ideas found in later Jewish and Christian traditions. As we open the pages of the Book of Astronomical Writings, we find ourselves transported into the realm of the heavens. I saw in those days how long cords were given to those angels, and they took to themselves wings and flew, and they went towards the north. And I asked the angel, saying unto him, Why have those angels taken these cords and gone off? And he said unto me, They have gone to measure. Enoch's journey now leads him into the celestial abode, where he receives divine instruction from the angel Uriel about the movements of celestial bodies, the lunar calendar, and the divisions of time. This section reflects the deep fascination of ancient cultures with the night sky and its spiritual significance. Enoch's encounter with the angel Uriel serves as a conduit for transmission of sacred knowledge, unveiling the secrets of the cosmos. One of the central themes here is the meticulous observation and understanding of celestial phenomena. Enoch is taught the intricate dance of the heavenly bodies, their orbits, and their influence on earthly events. This knowledge is not mere astronomy, but a form of sacred science, bridging the earthly and the divine. His initiation into the mysteries of the heavens provides a link between the celestial and terrestrial realms. It underscores the interconnectedness of all creation, where the movements of stars and planets are seen as reflections of divine order and purpose. The lunar calendar, revealed to Enoch in this section, plays a significant role in the religious and cultural practices of the time. It serves as a guide for the timing of sacred rituals, festivals, and agricultural activities. Enoch's understanding of the lunar calendar further highlights the spiritual and practical importance of the heavens in the lives of ancient communities. Lastly, we have the Book of Dream Visions, a section where Enoch's role as a visionary prophet becomes even more pronounced. And I saw other lightnings in the stars of heaven, and I saw how he called them all by their names, and they hearkened unto him. And I saw how they are weighed in a righteous balance, according to the proportions of light. And I saw the width of their spaces, and the day of their appearing, and how their revolution produces lightning. And I saw their revolution according to the number of the angels, and how they keep faith with each other. Enoch's journey into the realm of dreams takes us on a spiritual odyssey. He encounters celestial beings and witnesses the destiny of souls in the afterlife. These dream visions serve as a bridge between the earthly and the heavenly, inviting us to contemplate the nature of reality beyond the material world. One of the central themes of this section is the fate of souls after death. Enoch witnesses a vision of a great chasm that divides the righteous from the wicked. The righteous souls are welcomed into the presence of the divine, while the wicked face judgment and punishment, offering a glimpse into the ancient beliefs about the afterlife and the moral consequences of each one's actions. Throughout the Book of Dream Visions, symbolism abounds. Enoch's dreams are filled with allegorical representations of spiritual truths and cosmic realities, inviting us to delve deeper into the layers of meaning and contemplate the mysteries they convey. One recurring theme in these dreams is Enoch himself, depicted as a central figure representing the righteous and the spiritually enlightened. As we navigate the dreamscapes, we are prompted to reflect on the nature of revelation, the significance of dreams as a conduit to the divine, and the timeless questions of human existence. The book invites us to unravel the deep symbolism that shapes our understanding of the cosmic order, and our place within it. This book is not without controversy, not only in its historical context, but also in its interpretation. Some view it as a work of spiritual insight, a treasure trove of wisdom that illuminates the mysteries of the cosmos and the divine. Others have questioned its authenticity and its place within the biblical canon. For Gnostics, the Book of Enoch takes on a unique significance. It aligns with their dualistic worldview, where the material world is seen as flawed and the path to salvation involves acquiring secret knowledge, or gnosis, that liberates the soul from the material realm. Enoch's ascension to the heavens and his encounters with celestial beings resonate with Gnostic themes of spiritual ascent. In other interpretations, the book serves as a bridge between ancient Jewish thought and early Christian theology. References to Enoch's vision and the apocalyptic themes found in the book can be seen as precursors to similar ideas in the New Testament. As we delve into its pages, we are reminded that the Book of Enoch continues to be a source of contemplation, controversy, and spiritual exploration. I encourage you to explore this remarkable text further, as it holds secrets and wisdom waiting to be uncovered by those who seek to understand its mysteries. Humanfluence, out.